Hey there, hi there, ho there, hello there. My name's Adam. Welcome back to the channel Kaputy Inc. Today's video, which should be super educational, we're talking trash cans. Full disclosure, I'm a Jesse James fanatic. I know he's probably going to watch this video. Jesse, holla at you, boy. I could be on Monster Garage. Trash cans. Right here, this guy. Jesse James, his shops, whenever you see him, he has just like the coolest decor. And being that I'm in this shop a lot, and I plan on being in this shop a lot, assuming I don't die of a coronary heart attack from being a fat fuck, for a long time to come. So you might as well make it spicy. Might as well make it the way you like. So we're going to take an ordinary trash can, and we're going to make it extraordinary, because the difference is just that little extra. All right, let's get kicking. Check out these cans. Almost as nice as your mom's. And just as empty aside after she's wasted her whole life in beauty and youth and exuberance on raising you and your brothers and sisters, you know. Never gonna amount to shit, just end up being somebody who takes a dump in a river every day, waits too long at a yellow light so you can't get through, you know. I stole that from Bill Burr, but that doesn't mean it's not true. Anyways. So, got them sandblasted, got them primered, and then painted. I went down to the local convenience store / hardware store in town. You need it, they got it. Great service. Cox is true value. Check them out. Anyway, I tried to pick some colors that, you know, just were different. I didn't want to go just like a fireman red. Like, you know, just paint shit, everything fireman red. How dumb is that? So, I found this. I thought this was a pretty vintage looking color. It's like a maroon of some sorts. It's like a deep burgundy or something they called it. This looks kind of just like it's gray, but this was considered some sort of like smoked gunmetal, metallic flat. The sticker was pretty long on it. I don't remember where the can is anyway. And then you got your green here. My favorite color out of the three, actually. I like this one a lot. So, the idea is, let's pick a theme, or let's just jazz these things up as much as possible. So, I do have a couple of stickers in here already. So, we got this bad boy. Well, they're showing up really well on camera. So, I got two of those because they will wrap around the can pretty well. I got them in different colors. So, let's get to getting. Let's see how they turn out. So the white sticker not staying on as great as I was expecting. The red sticker, on the other hand, this is made out of some better material, maybe some high-tack material or whatever. This one seems to be sticking on a lot better and staying stuck on. So we just used it as a reverse mask. So we just fog this thing on, pull these off, and it should have the same pattern underneath. Let's see if we start with the corner. white. It was the sticker without any transfer piece on it, which I'll be complaining about on Amazon immediately. I guess I didn't read the instructions. Maybe there's some much easier way of doing that, but I don't know how the fuck you would do that. So I'm gonna just, that didn't go on very well. It's on there, there's a lot of wrinkles in it. I don't think it's gonna stick. There's a lot of little pieces that you had to peel off, so I touched them with my fingers, and even though I cleaned my hands ahead of time, it doesn't matter, they're not gonna stay stuck. So I'm just gonna use that as a back mask, so we'll just hit it with a little, just kind of fog it in and see how she looks. This episode of Pimp My Trash Can. Hope you found it enlightening, insightful. I hope you are inspired. Just trying to get my Johnny Cochran on alliteration.